They say it's impossible, but then we can make it 100% possible. Hey, hi everyone, this is Ravi Agarwal. So today, again, there is a good news for you. So what is the good news now? After I have launched CA Final, FR New Syllabus Compiler, SFM New Syllabus Compiler, SCMP New Syllabus Compiler, there was a huge demand in the market in entire India that, sir, here we do not have any CA Final law compiler for new syllabus where we can get all the ICI content including past papers, all past papers, MTPs, RTPs, study material question, MCQs at one single place. So here I have done a very good compilation which is done in handwritten font where you can get all the ICI content divided into chapter wise at one single place. So it's the time to get 60 plus in CA Final Law. Yes. And now the $1 million question will be that, sir, are you going to give this also free of cost? Let me think, but then this time, no. This time I am not going to give you for 100% free. Sir, yes, I have decided. Yeah, it took lot of time, effort, money to make everything. And you're asking me for free? It takes hell lot of time to compile everything at one single place. You take it for free. I have no issue. But then this time, I need one thing in return. So what is it? Tell me before I decide to take your compiler. This time I need one thing in return. What is it? I need it from you. 4-letter word. Okay, what is it? Have a check. PASS. I need 4-letter word in return. Sir, this I can definitely get it. This I can definitely get it. And I really need it. Give me a comment here in the comment box saying whatever may so happen, I am going to get PASS in my report card and I will show it to you. That's really nice of you. Okay, so have a check. Guys, so look, this is a beautifully designed compiler. Everything at one single place. Have a look, guys. CA Final, your new syllabus compiler for questions and answers. And yes, we've tried to use similar handwritten font. Just check the coverage. All study material questions, all including your November 2020 RTP questions, all your ICI, MTPs, all past papers and MCQs are also included. Okay, and yes, if you have not joined my Telegram channel, must join, because lot of ABC analysis and all are coming, and YouTube channel also you must subscribe because other subjects compilers are also coming. This is index for you. And yeah, if you solve any question from here, you will find the sources also mentioned. Have a check. This is taken from MTP November 19. This is taken from your RTP and like that. Look, this is MCQ questions covered. Look at the designing part, how this entire compiler is beautifully designed. Correct. So this is a gift from my side. You can consider this as a conditional gift, as I told you guys. And now guys, look, very limited time is left for you all to crack this exam. I agree. But then now, even if you spend your one single day, forget about day, even if you spend your one single hour, you think 10 times and then spend. Like the way you spend your money. Whenever you take anything, whenever you buy anything, spend your money, you think 10 times. Most of the people do. Okay, so you also, whenever you're spending even a single hour, even a single minute, you think, am I wasting time? Is it related to studies? No. So whatever available time that you have other than your basic necessities, you should think and spend those hours very wisely. So with this in mind, get me your past result in this attempt. And yes, give me a good comment on this YouTube channel saying that, sir, you've done so much. All the compilation work you've been doing, ABC analysis also I'm going to provide. A lot of new stuffs will be coming so that it support you to pass. But then, guys, somewhere you need to put in more. Okay, so with this in mind, I take your leave. Give your 100% and get me your pass result. All the very, very best.